Oh, hello. As you can see, the engine is out and I'm in. Well, how'd we get here? Stay tuned. You'll find out. Alright folks, so we're back on the Yoda. We are in the process of getting that motor ripped out still. So we'll keep tackling that. We did get jack in, so hopefully we can get that guy put together and put in, get ready to pull this sucker. Well, let's keep unbolting and rip it apart. All right, everybody, got the intake off. Oh, yeah. So, getting a little more in depth here. Definitely filthy underneath. Looks like a relatively new gasket here, so they must have had to tear this apart a time before. We'll just keep plugging away and tearing it apart. Okay, folks, as you can see, we got the wiring harness out. She's gone. So, I believe we have maybe a couple wires left. Unhook the exhaust, and then mounting bolts. Other than that, I think we're pretty close to getting her pulled. Transmission as well. So, mounting bolts and transmission. But a little more in depth than I thought, but I'm liking it, learning. Well, I'd say that is a success with one of the world's longest extensions. She worked out nicely.